Thank you, obrigado. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was our wonderful show. Don't forget, tomorrow is gala evening. We have a wonderful gala show. And before the show, we have the captain and his officers' presentation. Mesdames et messieurs, n'oubliez pas les rendez-vous avec les grands spectacles des galas de la soirée de demain. Et avant les spectacles,